Hello guys, welcome in our next video. Today I will show you how to do mole removal with fibroblast. He has some moles on his top eyelid and one on his nose. I put on him numbing cream with 10% lidocaine, and now I am covered this with plastic foil to get little more strong numbing here on his eyes. This is first. And what you can do also, if you have very sensitive clients and they still after numbing feel something, you can use like an ice pack before you start with needles. Just put this ice pack for a few seconds and then start your treatment. So I'm put on his face, eyelids and nose numbing, and we are waiting now around 10 minutes with plastic foil on it. Okay guys, we are ready with our numbing. I will do it one by one. That means I don't remove now everything, just first eye. Just guys, make sure to remove all numbing. Don't leave it on eyelid because can be like allergy reaction. So I hope you can see that he has here like a few moles. I will show you with this tweezer. Here is the first one, here is another one, and here are another two. I will do it with our Plamere pen. So I will show you now my settings. Here is my pen. I am turning on position 5 or 6. We'll see how much he will be able to do. Position C, not P. P is a pulse. I have needle, of course, acupuncture needle, and I will burn all those moles. Okay, guys, so we have couple of moles of this eye, and I am starting on position 5. And let's burn. Okay, another one bigger we have here. Okay guys, because he's sensitive and our numbing was not enough, I am using those gel packs. They are cold, very cold. So I put on his eye. You can also use this cover and put this inside. I don't use it. So for 3, 4, 5 seconds, put on treatment area. Then we burn it again. This one is done. Another one we have here. Okay, it's too sensitive. What means I need to use ice pack as well. So let's freeze this part. Also 5 seconds around. We'll freeze. We have 2 more small moles on this eye. Okay, and then this one is done. Don't move, don't move. Okay, this eyelid we have done. We'll start now with nose. I have here one small mole on his nose. I just used ice on it, and you need to burn all over, that means around this spot. That's it. This is done. Now we have our another eye. Here is some of moles. They are a little different than on first eye because they are longer. So I need to, here is 4 and here is another couple. Let me freeze this first. As on another eye, 5 seconds around. We'll freeze them and then we'll burn. Always try to do it fast, especially on eyelids. It's sensitive area and can be a little painful, is for sure. So I will stretch little his skin here. Okay, this one is done. This one is a little longer, so we have to burn to the roots. Here is another one very small. Okay, this one is done. Here another one small, just 3 or 4 times, done. And here is little bigger. Okay, it's sensitive, so I will freeze it again. 5-7 seconds with freezing, and then stretch little skin, and you can go all over this mole. If you will work faster, will be less painful and more comfortable for your patient. Okay guys, here we have another a little different type of moles. They are here, 2 of them. They are flat, so I removed numbing, and I do also this ice pack for 5 seconds, just 5 seconds. And now with the same settings, I have 5, almost 5, 4.5, let's say. We will remove it here. This one is done, and another one. You need to, guys, remember that you need to do all over. That means full area. You need to burn all this mole. And that's it. We have done. Healing process is like a few days. Sometimes I know that some of you remove this burning. I don't do it. I am waiting, as here will be like a scab, and this scab she will lose in 2, 3, maybe 4 days maximum, and they heal better. If you remove those what I have now, it's risk for scars. I don't want to risk that much, especially that this eye area is very sensitive and thin skin. So to make sure we'll be without that risk that I will do some scars on her, I will leave them like they are now.